Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Aldo and I make sewing, DIY, and style videos. So if you like those type of videos, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
The first thing I did was cut out the bottom of the dress. I have a separate tutorial on how I made the pattern. I'm going to have the link in the description box below or at the end screen, so be sure to check that out. For the top of the dress, I will be using a t-shirt as my pattern, so I simply folded the fabric like this, and I'm just going to trace half of the t-shirt. I'm going to cut it out and I will be adding about half an inch seam allowances on all sides. And then I cut out the neckline, and I'm also going to do the same thing on the armholes. Now I have two pieces that are the same, so I'm going to adjust one of the bodice. I'm going to trim down the neckline. The beauty about making girls' dresses is you don't have to worry about darts. So that's why it's so easy to do. Next, I am going to cut out the sleeves. I am just going to copy the t-shirt right here. The next thing I will do is serge the inseams of the sleeves, and I'm going to be using my serger. Obviously, you can use your regular sewing machine. You can just use a straight stitch. I'm also going to join the shoulder seams and the side seams. I also serge the back seam of the skirt. After that, I am going to quarter the waistline of the skirt and waistline of the bodice so I can easily match it up later. Then I am going to place the bodice inside the skirt and I'm going to match the waistline. Remember that right sides of the fabric should be facing each other. And then I'm going to serge it all the way around. If you don't have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch instead. After that, I attach the neckband. I already have a separate tutorial on how to do this. I'm going to have the link in the description box below or at the end screen. Now all I have to do is finish the hemlines and the dress is done.
And this is the final product. I absolutely love how it turned out. And on the bottom, I actually decided to do a slight high and low hem, as you can see right there, for extra detail, just because the dress is a little plain. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do so. I post new video every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Don't forget to hit the notification so you will get new updates whenever I post a new one. I will see you soon. Bye!